Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening. But then
Bawat ngiti mo may gayuma. Dahil sa akala ko, hindi ako iibig sa'yo. Ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko.
Hindi man araw-araw na nakangiti, at ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na